Mistplay itself usually isn't the biggest reason your battery drains. The games you launch through Mistplay are almost always responsible for the majority of your phone's power usage, especially if they're graphics heavy, or stay connected to the internet while you play. By the end of this video, you'll know how to check whether Mistplay is actually using your battery, why some games consume much more power than others, and what you can do to reduce battery drain without stopping your rewards. If your battery seems to disappear faster after installing Mistplay, don't assume the app is the problem. Open your Android settings, go to Battery, then Battery Usage or Battery Activity, depending on your device. This screen shows which apps have used the most power since your last full charge. If a specific game is near the top of the list and Mistplay isn't, you've already found the real cause. Action games, strategy games, and titles with high frame rates or constant online features naturally use more battery than puzzle or casual games. Now let's look at what you can control. Lower your screen brightness before you start playing. Your display is one of the biggest battery consumers on any Android phone. Reducing brightness usually has a bigger impact than changing anything inside Mistplay. Next, close apps you're not using. Running multiple apps in the background forces your phone to split memory and processing power, which can increase battery usage during longer gaming sessions. Another good habit is keeping both Mistplay and your games updated through Google Play. Updates often include bug fixes that improve performance and reduce unnecessary battery consumption. If your phone supports battery saver mode, you can try enabling it while playing. Just remember that some devices reduce background activity or performance in this mode, so you may notice slightly different behavior depending on your phone model. Also pay attention to your network connection. Gaming on a weak mobile signal forces your phone to work harder to maintain a connection. If you're at home, using a stable Wi-Fi network can reduce power consumption compared to constantly switching between weak cellular signals. To sum it up, Mistplay usually isn't the main battery drain. The games you play, your screen brightness, your connection quality, and your phone settings have a much bigger impact. Check your battery usage screen before assuming the app is causing the problem. If you found this guide helpful, give the video a like, subscribe for more Mistplay tips and troubleshooting guides, and check out the next video for more ways to improve your earning experience.